from the Lakeside Newsroom of the Henrico Citizen, your hometown news source since 2001. This is the Henrico News Minute with publisher Tom Lapis.
Henrico High School is planning to rename some athletic facilities and wants public input. And Henrico Police need your help to find a missing 28-year-old man. We'll have details in today's Henrico News Minute. It's Thursday, June 3rd, 2021. It's brought to you today by Henrico County.
And now for the news.
Varina High School is planning to rename 3 of its football facilities in the fall, and school officials are asking for public input into the process. They are proposing to name the football stadium for James E. Dawkins and the field house for Woodrow G. Sanderford, both beloved alumni of the school who also served as dedicated employees for decades. Dawkins was one of the first black football players at the school, later joining the staff as a custodian. He spent more than 45 years there as a county employee. Varina Assistant Principal Catherine Noah, during a meeting about the renaming effort last night, described Dawkins as, quote, the lifeblood of Varina High School, end quote. She also said she couldn't think of a better person to honor. Sanderford, who's known to most as Coach Woody, graduated from Varina in 1956, then returned as an employee in 1963 after serving as a Marine in the Vietnam War. He's been an avid supporter of all VHS sports for decades and still helps run the football program at the school. Varina Supervisor Tyrone Nelson last night said, quote, we've got 2 Varina legends here. Nobody's going to be against that. These are just 2 community legends, end quote. There is no suggested name for the football field. Officials want your input. If you have a thought either way, you can fill out a survey that opened last night and it'll close June 9th. We've got a link on our website, henricocitizen.com. If you click on News and then Education and look for this article. Henrico Police need your help to find a missing 28-year-old county man. Xavier LaShawn Harrison was reported missing May 28th by his girlfriend, who last saw him 2 days earlier after he had received medical attention at a local hospital. But he hasn't been seen since, and those close to him believe he may need further medical attention. If you have seen him or have information about where he is, you can call Henrico Police at 501-5000 or Detective Skeel at 501-5304. You can also submit information anonymously through Metro Richmond Crime Stoppers by visiting p3tips.com. We have a picture of Harrison on our website, henricocitizen.com, if you click on News and Public Safety. ECPI University, which has 2 campuses in Henrico, has implemented a digital vaccine passport system that may be the first of its type in Virginia among colleges and universities. The college rolled out the VaxPass system to easily identify students and staff who are fully vaccinated against COVID-19. It allows vaccinated people to move swiftly past screening stations that otherwise would take their temperatures and ask health questions. The school is planning to lift its mask order within a couple weeks, according to spokesman David Brandt. Now, the system works by using an online portal that allows students to upload their vaccination documents, which triggers the issuance of a digital VaxPass in the university's mobile app almost instantly. The school created the system itself. It uses blockchain, a type of database that's used in cryptocurrency and is virtually unable to be hacked. So far, it has issued about 2,500 VaxPass certificates. That number is expected to reach 10,000 during the summer months as more students get inoculated. About 250 students enrolled at the Henrico campuses have signed up so far, according to Brandt. Our Lady of Hope Health Center is asking local residents for help in creating summer survival kits for local seniors in need through Commonwealth Catholic Charities. The drive is running through June 14th. CCC supports about 186 senior families. Our Lady of Hope conducts charitable drives once a quarter. Last fall, the organization collected more than 700 pairs of socks in a Socks for Seniors drive. The items that they're looking for this time around include sunglasses, insulated cups, sunscreen and lotion, lip balm, word search or puzzle books, gift cards to places like Target and Walmart. Crystal Light and other sugar-free drink mixes, and summer-themed hand towels and napkins. You can drop any of those items off at Our Lady of Hope Health Center. It's at 13700 North Gayton Road in Henrico. Henrico 4-H is now accepting registration for 5 summer day camps that are designed to help children 9 through 13 have fun while learning about agriculture, health, animal science, STEM subjects, and dessert decorating. The camps are $30 a piece. Some are in person and others are virtual. You can learn more by visiting henricocitizen.com and clicking on Community. Today's Henrico News Minute is brought to you by Henrico County, which is asking you, how do you want to hear from the county? Visit publicinput.com/Henrico News to take a brief survey.